exponential expression. Suppose I give you 7 multiplied in 7 can be written as 7 square. If I change, for example, 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7, it can be written as 7 cube. 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7 can be written as 7 to the power 4. This is known as the exponential notation. Exponential notation. Also, 7 cube is written as the exponential notation for 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7. Seven to the power 4 is written in the exponential notation for 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7. Seven multiplied in 7 is 7 to the power 2. If you focus in the exponential notation, okay, for 7 multiplied by 7, 7 to the power 2, this is known as base, okay, and 7 to the power 3, this 7 is known as the base. 7 to the power 4, here 7 is the base. Why we wrote, for example, 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied in 7 equals to 7 to the power 4? Because the base, or 7, is a factor 4 times of this expression. 7 is a factor 4 times. Now, the definition of natural number exponents. If the base b is a real number, and n is natural number, b can take values on the real number system, as you know before, from 0 here, at 0, from negative infinity to infinity, and n the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The definition of natural numbers exponents is any base to the power n equals the base multiplied in itself, b multiplied in b, like here 7 multiplied in 7 multiplied 7, b multiplied in b multiplied in b multiplied, and to the last b n times. That's it. b is a factor n times. This is simply the definition of natural numbers exponents. Exercise. If I tell you evaluate a 3/4 to the power 3, our answer should be, what is our base? This is our base, okay? So it would be 3/4 multiplied in 3/4 multiplied in 3/4, which will eventually equal to 27/64. Another example, -5 to the power 4. What is our base? Our base here is 5. So the negative should be the negative outside multiplied in 5, 5, 5, 5. We repeated it four times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our base here is 5. So the answer should be -625. If another question comes with -5 all to the power 4, our base here is what? Is -5. This means that the exponential can be written as -5 multiplied in -5 multiplied in -5 multiplied in -5, which will eventually equal to 625. Another question, if I tell you -3 to the power 4 multiplied in -4 all to the power 2. There is a difference between all to the power 2 and 4 here is inside. Okay, we will see together. For the first expression here, or exponential, -3 minus multiplied in the base 3 to the power 4. So this is equal to minus multiplied into 3 to the base 4 should be 3 repeated 4 times. Okay, multiplied in what? -4. Here the base is -4 because it is the overall to the square. So the base is -4. -4 should be repeated 2 times. -4 multiplied in -4. This eventually will equal to -1296. Another question, -4 to the power 4 divided by -4 all to the power 4. Here the base is what? The base is 4, so the negative will go outside, then 4 multiplied in 4 multiplied in 4. We repeated it 4 times. Divided. Here the base is -4, so it will be -4 multiplied in -4 multiplied in -4 multiplied in -4. So our answer should be -256 over 256, which is eventually equal to -1. Another question, if I ask you, this is F, if I ask you the negative of -6 to the power 3 over -3 to the power 4. Notice that here the base is what? 6, so the negative will go outside, multiplied in 6, 6, 6. What about here? The base is -3, so it would be -3 multiplied in -3, -3, -3. We repeated it 4 times. Do not forget this, which is here. Then the answer should be the negative of -216 over 81. negative multiplied in negative, then it should be positive. And if you simplify, you will find eventually the fraction equals to 8 over